So here's today's crazy job. It's going to go on for a few days. We're going to have fun with this. This chimney, they didn't go all the way to the top with this brick. These are called clinkers. They're rejects from the kiln. They make for a great design. And we're going to kind of sort of duplicate this design. And we're going to go close to the top of those white pipes with this. Here's the clinkers we had to find online. We had to have these shipped in from Missouri, or as the natives there call it, misery. I know because I've been to Missouri and spoken with the natives.